this is the effect. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Now make a copy of this right here. Take a black video, put it here, reduce the transparency of, opacity of the black video to something like 50, something around 50. It doesn't have to be like perfect. You can obviously play around as much as you want. Okay, so maybe we'll keep it around 80. And now go to effect, find edge, take this, find edge, put it here. Now here's an invert option here. Click on that, it's inverted. And now what you will do is in the opacity, where there will be a blend mode, set it to screen, and now all the black part is gone, and you can see it is pretty much something already. But what you can do is find glow, VR glow, put it over here, luma threshold 0, increase the radius, increase the brightness a little bit. Okay, it's fine now. And now what you're going to do is, in this it's in quite a motion. So in the previous one it was standing at a certain place, so yeah, we have to mask it. This time we have to like animate the mask. So anyways, let's do it. Take it here, 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 and like this. Make the mask feather around, like make the mask feather what suits best for your video. Like I'm going for 225 for this one. Now you can see that, yeah, we have to animate the mask. So mask animate like this. Now you can see the mask is moving with it. And now what you gotta do is this. And now we have a white glow right here, but if you want a different kind of glow, you have to, like this one has a purple glow, so you just have to go to color panel and make it whatever color you like. Increase the vibrance, unsharpen it, and yeah, boom, it's done. And that's how you do the edge glow effect. And don't forget to leave a comment and follow me on Instagram. All the links are on my link tree. Go follow me.